Hi everyone, today we are going to see how we can add a privacy and policy page in WordPress. First, go to our WordPress dashboard. Now, go to setting and then click privacy. Okay, then click create and you will get the sample page. Now, make the change what you want. Once you have done that, click publish. Now click view page. We have got our privacy policy. Our second part. Now to add the privacy policy to our footer menu like this, let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. Go to appearance and click menus. Then click here. Now I want to add the privacy policy to the important link section. So let's click important links and select. Now click here and select privacy and policy. And then click add to menu. Once you have done this, click save menu. Now go to our page and click refresh. Now you can see that we have got our privacy policy in the footer section. So this is how you can add a privacy policy page in your WordPress website. If you like the video, I think you will also like my video on how to create a free website and also a full playlist of my other video. And of course, if you find this useful to you, feel free to subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.